Di alam anong gagawin, kundi ubusin oras sa gym. Akala mo ay may marating. Hoy, kaibigan ko, pakinggan mo mga bulong sa'yo. Ito'y di galing sa mundo, patungo sa mga kumparaiso. It's been a long time since I left you out of the blue. It's hard living you the way when I never wanted to. Self-denial is a game of straight I never really wanted to. That was you. Because I've learned that love is beyond what human can imagine. More years, some more I have to let you go. That's why I don't understand why I'm feeling so bad now, when I know it was my dear. I can't just deny the truth to lie. Why am I the only one standing stranded on the same ground? May gusto ka bang sabihin, ba't di mapakali? Hindi makatingin sa ngayon mo na to palipasin, at subukang lutasin sa mga sinabi mo na ibang hinararapat sa akin. Natuloy